When creating your DIY cheese board, it's essential to choose a diverse selection of cheeses. Incorporate soft cheeses like brie, semi-soft cheeses like Gouda, hard cheeses such as cheddar, and blue cheeses like Roquefort. This variety ensures a harmonious blend of flavors and textures that cater to different preferences. Soft cheeses offer creamy textures, while hard cheeses provide a firmer bite. Semi-soft cheeses strike a balance between the two, and blue cheeses offer bold and tangy notes. By curating a range of cheeses, you can elevate the tasting experience for your guests. To enhance the flavors of your homemade cheeses, consider pairing them with complementary accompaniments. Fruits like grapes or figs offer a natural sweetness that contrasts well with the savory cheese flavors. Nuts like almonds or walnuts add a crunchy texture and nutty undertones to the tasting experience. Drizzling honey over certain cheeses creates a delightful blend of sweet and salty notes, while olives offer a briny and savory element. By incorporating these accompaniments, you create a harmonious balance of flavors that elevate each cheese selection on your board. When presenting your cheese board, it's important to arrange the cheeses and accompaniments thoughtfully for a professional look. Opt for a wooden board or slate as a stylish and rustic serving surface. Arrange the items in a visually appealing manner, considering colors, shapes, and textures for an aesthetically pleasing display. Adding labels or markers next to each cheese and accompaniment helps guests identify the selections and understand their unique flavors. This attention to detail not only enhances the visual appeal of your cheese board but also ensures a delightful and organized tasting experience for your guests.